Hey everyone, VisionAutoworks here with a Honda Civic 99 to 2000, otherwise known as EK. Headlight package finished up today. These were built on brand new gunmetal, like JDM-style headlights, per the customer request. And he also requested a really like OEM plus looking setup. So we just used the Irish shrouds here, and the projectors are the 2.5-inch bi LED. So this takes performance levels to much higher improvements over the factory H4 halogen. You just really can't compare the difference that you'll see in person once you light these up. These old 90s Civics, old 90s vehicles in general, have really poor optics. And of course, most of them are going to be equipped with like a halogen only setup. So it's going to be a huge difference when you see these lit up at night. With the bi-LED projectors, these are basically the best performing option for the price right now. These are the 2.5-inch bi-LED projectors. So they do offer both high and low beam output, and we do give you the appropriate wiring harness, the H4 high-low harness to incorporate all those features with the factory wiring. Everything is plug and play, ready to go out of the box. If you want to order a package like this for your 99 to 2000 Civic, you can visit us on the web at VisionAutoworks.com. We have a headlight package for this vehicle, which you can customize, spec up the way you want it, and place your order. If you have any further questions, you can reach us by phone or email. Our contact information is on the website.